1,500 to Samaritan's Purse, 1,500 to the Oldest Club, and the remainder of the profits were going to the building committee for to the president here, for the $16,500 towards the project. Congratulations.
Thank you, sisters. Very much.
Thank you. Wow, this
I think that's really good. Well, they put it in the ATM machine.
Yes, we'll take it down to the bank today. Dear Philoptochos sisters, really this is very inspiring. And I'm very honored as the Parish Council President to receive this check and also as Chair of the Building Committee at this point. So I just wanted to, as I was thinking about this, the women that worked so hard to raise every cent of this amount, I was thinking about how important it is for the women of our faith. They help establish our faith in our families and in our children. And I was also thinking about St. Helena. St. Helena, the mother of Constantine, was the one who wanted to reach out and go to Jerusalem to find the cross and establish and build the church that now stands there, at least another of the original church. I do a lot of research in Cappadocia, in what is today modern Turkey, about building churches. This is one of my research areas. And time and time again, it's the women who are gathering the money to build the churches. The men are there, they're doing their job, the builders are there, but the women are at the heart of all of this. So I want to thank the women of the Philoptochos, the women of our parish for working so hard, so diligently, and God bless you all. And Panagia, keep you all safe and your families as well.
Thank you again, sisters and Bid Invite Committee. Thank you all.